everyone, it's No and welcome back to my channel. Since many of you have lots of questions in my previous resin tutorial videos, I have decided to make more videos like this. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I will try to reply as soon as possible. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a resin earring using some lovely autumnal leaves. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm getting everything ready for the process: resin, hardener, a wooden stick, a measuring cup and a silicone mold, which make things much easier. I will also need earring bags and a pair of the disposable gloves. That's everything, I think. Hopefully I haven't forgotten anything. Now, before we begin, remember that every resin comes with its own instructions, so it's always best to read those first. For most types, the mixing ratio is 1:1, meaning you add the same amount of hardener as a resin. The total amount depends on the size of your leaves, so you can decide how much to mix. A lot of people struggle with bubbles in resin, and honestly, bubbles are just part of it. You can't completely avoid them, but you can reduce them. If you really don't like bubbles, I'd recommend using UV resin. It gives a crystal clear finish with almost no bubbles at all. In the first step, mix the resin and hardener slowly in one direction to help reduce bubbles. Stir for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then let it rest for a bit so the surface bubbles can raise and pop. Now your mixture is ready. It's time to coat your leaves. If you don't have tools for make holes in your earrings leather, it's easier to stick the earrings backs on now. I'm using flat back ones to keep things simple. Careful not to spread the resin too thin, or it will stay soft even after curing. You can also pop any tiny bubbles on the surface with a toothpick or a needle. One of the common ways to remove surface bubbles from resin is by running a lighter quickly over the surface. Make sure the flame doesn't touch the resin directly, as that could cause it to turn yellow. Just move the lighter gently and swiftly above the surface. Make sure the flame doesn't touch the resin directly, as that could cause it to turn yellow. Just move the lighter gently and swiftly above the surface. Now, leave your coated leaves to dry for around 10 to 15 hours. Just make sure the mold or surface you place them on is completely flat while they dry. And voila, we have got our beautiful autumnal earrings, perfect for a walk in the rain and listening to the sound of autumn. Okay, I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.